art and culture, as well as a Kumnidad. I think they are somewhere around. So after that, Honorable Chief Minister has requested for land acquisition to commence. So yesterday we had a meeting with Director Art and Culture and Honorable Minister. So he asked them to come again to see what kind of transactional arrangement can be made between the Comunidad and the government. So I will be able to give more clarity after this.
This is the last established session. The issue are still waiting.
See, the consent terms is the most important thing. No? Comunidad is a private entity. They have put some demands to the government. The government cannot fulfill all those demands. So they are negotiating. So the sooner the negotiations are complete, the faster we can commence with the project.
But at least the project will see the foundation light of the foundation.
No, but I cannot give you that guarantee till the Comunidad and the government agrees on the terms that they are discussing. We are trying our best to make sure that the negotiations take place. Yesterday, Chairman of JSIDC, also Mr. Michael Lobo, said that we can, under JSIDC, take the project on priority. But the land availability is, we found the land, we've located the land. The Comunidad has given the willingness to give that parcel of land to the government. But the government has to agree on what terms they want to acquire it, whether they have to acquire the entire area, whether they want to acquire on a transactional basis, whether they will outright purchase it, whether they will take it on lease. That they need to figure out.
Is somebody really delaying this issue?
No,
for such a long time.
See, there is no. I cannot say that it is a sensitive issue. Because in the Comunidad there is a general body. They have given specific terms to which the Comunidad has put forth those terms to the government. So they have to decide. No, the government has to have a budget. If we go on the market rate, some 50 crores is the cost of acquisition of land. So government has to have that provision with them to acquire for 50 crores.
Is there any alternate land for?
See, other alternate land that is there that we had identified before were paddy fields. Now then, government has to come out with that policy to change that paddy field to, and there are some Shetkari je asa, they are not interested in giving, like culture discussion alle. Everybody is talking about barik, maje ek asa, mai don sodun parat maje asa. So we cannot take land that modi ani konacho pudka jo kon NOC diung shakana, zalar parat ami shuru karnu. So this is the current situation. Mapusa is a very compact city. We are not having a lot of land like other places in. Or then we have to move to neighboring constituencies like TV, Aldana, Ankawe, Sholim constituency, or whichever is wherever we can find land on the border. The location of what we had proposed is a very good location considering it is touching the highway. It is on the border of Mapusa and TV constituency on Kolwale side, and it is a central point where access is very good. लोकांक त्रास जावचे ना म्हापशेकार जे रेजिडेंट्स आसा कोणाकूच नुकसान जावचें ना सो आय थिंक लुकींग एट द लॉंग टर्म 50 वर्सां जर पळोवपाक गेल्यार म्हाका दिसता कोमुनिदाद ऑफ कुचेली जो लँड आसा आय थिंक इट इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट आयडियल लोकेशन टू हॅव दिस टायप ऑफ अ फेसिलिटी कन्सिडरींग ऑल द पीपल ऑफ बार्देस विल बी कमिंग टू इट इज नॉट ओनली फॉर म्हापशेकार इट इज पूर्ण बार्देसचे जितले लोक आसा 7 मतदारसंघ आसा सगळे बार्देसचे लोक येतले तसे बिचोलचे लोक येतले पेडणेचे लोक येतले सो पीपल आर गोट टू कम फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर सो वी हॅव टू एन्श्योर दॅट म्हाका जाय म्हणून हांगा केलो म्हाका तेमान जर करपाक गेल्यार खंय तरी लोकांक त्रास जातले लोकांक त्रास करपाक सो वी विल सी वॉट आउटकम कम्स ऑफ टुडेज डिस्कशन आय एम एक्सपेक्टिंग अ व्हेरी पॉझिटिव्ह.
What about your bus stand?
Bus stand is they are waiting to award the tender. The tender has opened, bidder has been selected. Yeah, so it's around 200 plus crores.
Start expecting?
If CM gives a final go ahead, I think next month we can start construction.